This YouTube short got 3 million views, this one got 2 million, and this one got 1.9 million. Crazy, right? That's how many views this channel is racking up using just one simple AI method to create these videos. A few days ago, I stumbled upon one of these videos on my YouTube homepage. It was a super high quality anime short where the narrator was sharing techniques to master dark psychology. Lately, this type of videos have been blowing up because they are fresh, engaging, and people love watching them. So after diving deep and researching everything, I figured out the exact formula this channel is using. And in this video, I'm gonna break it all down for you. What software they use, the exact prompts, where to find anime footage, and even how to recreate their most viral video step by step. And if you stick around till the end, I will reveal how faceless channels like this are making tens of thousands of dollars every month, beyond just YouTube monetization. But here's where we take it up a notch. Unlike them, we won't just stick to YouTube. We will be posting everywhere on social media to maximize views and of course income. After creating a brand new shorts channel, the first step is to find anime footage and that matches the tone of the video. To do this, head over to ChatGPT and ask, give me the names of the best psychological anime characters. Once you get the list, choose any character you like. For this example, I will go with Light Yagami from Death Note. Next, go to YouTube and search Light Yagami Trickster. This will bring up high quality clips that you can use in your video. Download the footage in full resolution to maintain the best quality. Now it's time to generate the story prompt. Always remember, the story is the most crucial part of the video. Even if your editing is top-notch, viewers will scroll past if the story isn't engaging. So our main focus should be creating a compelling script that keeps viewers hooked until the very end. For this, go to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Please generate 10 dark manipulation tricks. The script should be engaging and the duration should be between 40 to 60 seconds. I will also provide this prompt in the description for reference. Once you receive a well-structured script, open Google Docs and paste it there. To make the video even more engaging, add a strong hook at the beginning, like 10 dark manipulation tricks that will make you a master of controlling people. Once the script is ready, it's time to give it a voice. AI tools like Clipchamp make this process incredibly easy. First, go to Clipchamp's website and sign up if you haven't already. Then navigate to the text-to-speech section where you can select the language, voice, and pitch. Choose a voice that fits your video. For this tutorial, I will go with Christopher because of its warm and deep tone. After selecting the settings, copy the script from Google Docs, paste it into the text box and click Save. Once the processing is complete, your AI-generated voiceover will be ready. Click Export, select 1080p, and download the file to use in your video. Now that we have everything, it's time to put it all together. We will be using CapCut for our editing, but feel free to use any other editor you prefer. Open CapCut and click Import to upload both the voiceover and anime clip. Drag the video onto the timeline and use the zoom in option on the right to expand it. Since we are recreating a vertical video, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, then zoom in to fit the screen properly. To make the video more dynamic, split the scenes into different parts so that the visuals change every 2 to 3 seconds. Manually adjust the character's position to keep them centered in the frame throughout all clips. Once that's done, go to the Transition tab on the top left where you will find hundreds of transitions to choose from. For this video, we will be using a simple white flash effect and set its duration to 0.3 seconds. If you want the same transition for all clips, click Apply to All on the right side of the interface. Next, go to the Effects tab from the top left corner and search for Black Noise to give the video a rough and grungy look. Drag this effect over the entire video, then head to the Filter tab, search for Black Gold and apply it to enhance the overall aesthetic. Now let's take care of the audio. First, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. To add more depth and atmosphere, include a background sound that enhances the mysterious vibe of the video. Although CapCut has a built-in audio library, many of its tracks are overused or don't match the desired tone. That's why I prefer looking for background music on Pixabay. Visit Pixabay's website and search for mysterious background sounds that align with the mood of your video. Once you find the perfect track, download and import it into CapCut. Drag it onto the timeline below the voiceover and lower its volume to -15 dB so that it complements the narration rather than overpowering it. One of the most crucial elements of this video is subtitles, as they not only enhance engagement but also helps retain audience attention. To generate subtitles, go to the text tab at the top left and select auto caption. Choose the appropriate language and click generate. CapCut will take less than a minute to automatically create captions for your video. Once the captions are generated, move them slightly upward to keep them centered and within the viewer's focus. Since auto-generated captions tend to be long, go to the Captions tab on the right and manually split them into shorter, more readable segments. After that, click on Text, select the entire caption layer and go to the Font section. Choose a font that fits the video's theme. For this video, I will use the bold font for a strong and clear look. Increase the font size to 12 and apply an effect that enhances the visual style. Since this is a dark psychology themed video, I will go with a red effect, which aligns with the overall tone. Once everything looks good, click Export, select 1080p Full HD resolution, and the video is ready to go. Now let's check out how it turned out.
10 dark manipulation tricks that will make you a master of controlling people. 1. The illusion of choice. Ever made someone think they had a choice?
As I mentioned earlier in this video, our goal is to turn this into a fully monetized business and maximize our earning potential. There are multiple income opportunities beyond just YouTube ad revenue. Most faceless YouTube channels rely on affiliate marketing, where you promote someone else's product through a unique link. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a small commission. One of the best platforms for affiliate marketing is ClickBank, which is widely used by creators across different platforms. The process is simple. You just need to copy the product's link and paste it into your video description. I know this might seem like a lot to take in at once, so if you have any questions or need help, feel free to comment below and I will be happy to assist you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you want to see more content like this.